Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Forex.com. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in Forex.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Forex.com website. Now, if you don't already have an account, in order to sign up, you can simply enter your preferred email address in the home screen. So type in your preferred email and tap on open an account. You will then be taken through the sign up process. You will need to choose what kind of account you wish to open up. Look at the various offers for the account, and you can also click on the drop-down menu to find out which kind of account would be best for you. After choosing your preferred kind of account, tap on the open button and you will be allowed to sign up and set up your credentials. Just choose your country or region of residence, and after entering your email address, simply type in the username that you wish to set up for your account. After entering your username, enter the desired password for your account and then choose your title, followed by your first and your last name. After setting up your username and password, you can choose your title and enter your first and your last name. Then you will need to enter your date of birth and then your phone number. After entering your phone number, choose your currency from the drop-down menu and then click on Save and Continue. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your phone or your email. So you can simply check your inbox and you will find the verification code that you will need to enter in the next screen. After entering the verification code and clicking on the Verify button, your account will be successfully set up, and you can fill up further information about your account and add your payment information as well. And from this point on, you can use these credentials that you just set up in order to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Forex.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.